Pros and cons of black granite countertops. Dear friends, countertops can make or break an interior design. Since the 1970s, granite countertops have reigned as a kitchen design staple. They bring boldness and elegance to classic or modern interiors and possess all the benefits inherent with natural stone. Durable, low maintenance and stain resistant are among the top reasons why granite has remained a popular choice over the last 5 decades. Beyond matters of personal taste, all countertop materials have their pros and cons, and black granite is no exception. Pros of black granite countertop: incredibly versatile. Black granite countertops suit traditional, transitional, and contemporary kitchen designs. Whether it's a dramatic kitchen island with a waterfall edge or a countertop wedge edge profile, there is almost no design choice that black granite can accommodate. Durable surface. One of the considerable advantages of black granite is its durability, which is highly favored in high-traffic areas like kitchen and bathroom countertops. It is capable of withstanding everyday wear and tear. Timeless appeal. Natural stone always possesses a timeless appeal. Black granite is a neutral stone that doesn't date as quickly as other design trends. Its versatile nature enables it to blend in with a variety of design trends. Easy maintenance. Black granite is an intelligent choice as dirt doesn't show up as easily on its dark surface. Besides that, cleaning black granite countertops is relatively easy. Warm soapy water with a gentle cloth after use will suffice, so long as the counter is also wiped down with a dry cloth. Granite is porous, so leaving liquid or food spills unattended can cause damage, especially with honed black granite. Stain resistance. Black granite is stain resistant if properly sealed and looked after. If stains and spills are wiped away as soon as they occur, the countertop's surface should retain its pristine condition. Cons of black granite countertop: prone to fingertips and watermarks. Fingertip marks are most visible on polished granite, particularly when line hits the surface, whereas honed granite may discolor or stain from watermarks. However, this is easily remedied with resealing every few months. As with all natural stone countertops, placemats, trivets, coasters, and chopping boards should habitually be used. Built-up dust is noticeable. Because of its glossy surface, dust is more noticeable on polished than honed granite. Built-up occurs if a countertop isn't regularly wiped down. Luckily, dirt is less visible on black granite countertops, but it should be cleaned after use to clear collecting dust. Material cost. While black granite is more affordable than white, it can still be a pricey investment. Additional factors like the amount needed and the type of granite purchase can also hike up the cost. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.